Ever feel like your wallet's stuck in the slow lane? You swipe your debit card, but that nagging feeling of building credit keeps whispering in your ear. Maybe you're looking for travel rewards, or perhaps that sweet cash back to finally snag the gadget you've been eyeing. Whatever the reason, a credit card might be the answer, but navigating the application process can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. Fear not, fellow financially curious friend. Today, we're tackling the question, how to apply for a Capital One credit card over the phone. That's right, ditch the computer screen and get ready to dial. Now, applying over the phone might seem old school, but there are perks. Sometimes, you can get a hold of a friendly representative who can answer your questions on the spot and guide you through any hiccups. Plus, for those who aren't super comfortable navigating online forms, a phone call can feel more personal and reassuring. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to break down the steps to snag that Capital One card with a simple phone call. First things first, you'll need to gather some documents. Think of it like a credit card application bootcamp. Here's what to have on hand. Your social security number. This is your financial fingerprint, so make sure you have it memorized for a smooth application process. Proof of income, recent pay stubs, tax returns, or W-2 forms can all work here. Basically, anything that shows Capital One you're a responsible borrower with the ability to repay. Employment information, your current employer's name and contact details might be requested. Housing information, whether you rent or own your place, having your address and monthly payment amount handy will streamline things. Alright, with your application arsenal prepped, it's time to dial. Here's the Capital One pre-approved hotline, 1-800-903-9177. This number can also be used to check the status of an existing application, so it's a handy one to remember. Now, brace yourself for the magical world of phone menus. You might have to navigate a few automated prompts to get to the right department. Be patient, and remember, the friendly voice of a Capital One representative awaits. Once you're connected, explain to the representative that you'd like to apply for a new credit card. They'll likely ask you a few questions to determine which card best suits your needs. Be upfront about your financial goals. Are you looking for rewards, travel points, or just a good old-fashioned starter card to build credit? The more information you provide, the better they can match you with the perfect plastic companion. Here comes the fun part, the actual application. The representative will guide you through each step, asking for the information we prepped earlier, social security number, income proof, and so on. Be prepared to answer questions about your credit history, if any, and your spending habits. Honesty is key here, as Capital One uses this information to determine your eligibility and credit limit. Once everything's squared away, the representative will let you know the application decision. Sometimes, it can be as quick as 60 seconds. If you're approved, congratulations. You'll likely receive your shiny new card within 7 to 10 business days, along with your credit limit and some welcome materials. But what if the application gods haven't smiled upon you this time? Don't despair. The representative might explain why you weren't approved and offer suggestions for improving your chances next time. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Take their advice to heart and make responsible financial decisions to build a stronger credit profile. So, there you have it. Applying for a Capital One credit card over the phone is a straightforward process, and with a little preparation, you can be well on your way to reaping the rewards, pun intended, of credit card ownership. Remember, applying for a credit card is a big decision. Always do your research, compare different cards and their benefits, and only borrow what you can comfortably repay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially fabulous.